again. With the flat tool of the RSX. Car starts fine. I can release the clutch. I can hear the clutch and the throttle bearing moving. But the second I put it into gear,
No, God!
And I release the clutch,
No!
it grinds. Now all the gears make that noise.
A few inches later.
That's what I'm saying. It's gotta be Axel. Hold that wheel.
The other side?
Yeah.
No?
I broke.
Yeah?
It's a Axel. Oh my god. Look. Look. How did I not know that? Look right down there. You'll see the axle's broken.
Oh yeah.
No, man. Alright guys, we think we figured it out. Francis, go hold that wheel over there. Both wheels, car's in gear. I can turn this wheel and you hear that clicking? I don't know if you guys can see that, but down there is a broken CV joint, broken axle. Let's get a better look. Right there, broken axle. So now I know what we need. Shout out Chris, Garage 16, hooked us up with the Yanaka axles. So it looks like it was the axle that broke. So we're gonna put everything else back together and then I'm gonna start doing the axle. And let's get into it. Get a closer look, look at that. Completely broke off. So gonna take these two bolts off and I'll show you guys as we do it. See that? Axle nut sockets off. Gonna get a hammer, punch it out, but we're gonna take these two off, bring this forward, and then pop the axle out. So just like that, just like that, axle came out. Definitely know that broke. Then we're gonna punch this out and yeah. Okay, look at that. No, we don't want to touch that because it's all greasy. I'll go around. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So that's half of our axle. Gonna get a rag. You recording that? Got that real good. Okay.
Put that shit in for me.
Look at that. So this completely broke. Wow. completely. Look at that, all the bearings exploded. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do quickly, let me take this. What I'm gonna do quickly is just clean up all that grease, and then we're gonna slide the new axle in. We've got the Yanakas. Shout out Chris from Garage 16. Hooked it up with the axles. Guys, need anything for your Hondas? Check them out. Oh, I got a Yanaka Motorsports hat, lanyard. Wow, that's sick. Shout out Yanaka. And for now, we're just gonna do the passenger side axle to make sure that the axle's the only problem. It should be marked. Okay, perfect. So these are OEM replacement. These are stage 2. Good quality. They have the vibration reducer on there, and these are the 32 mil. So yeah, let's put them in. Okay, so this passenger side. Gonna put her on. Let's go like that. Just slide in. Sometimes a little tap. Ooh. Oh, that's good. That's good. Feel really good. There it is. It's bottomed out. So now put this side here. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. We're gonna put one of the bolts back in for here. The strut. Just like that. On. This goes like that. Take the spacer off. Okay. Make sure it's all clean on there. Put this on. Put your axle nut socket. Just like that, nice and tight. And then what you want to do, nice and tight, right in the slot right there. You want to give it a nice shot with the hammer. And you see that right there? Get up close on that. That's to make sure your nut doesn't back off when you're driving. Okay? So we got the axle in. It's nice and tight. I'm gonna put the spacer back on, put the wheel back on, lower the car, and we're gonna go for a test drive, all right? Okay, so we put everything back together under the hood. Axle's out, new axle's in. Look at our old axle. Now we're gonna double check. We're gonna turn the car on, and we're gonna take it out the driveway. And yeah, it's raining. Alright guys, she runs. I didn't hear any funny noises. Looks like we just snapped an axle. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video.